Okay, so we're going to release the Lancer Evolution 5 that we fully restored here in Garage 69 Station 5 Automotive. So this is a local Lancer that was converted to Evo 5, and we did the full restoration. It was originally white, and now we painted it with the red color of TME, or the Tommy Makinen. This is an 18-inch Motegi wheels with K-Sport big brake kits, 8 pots with 356mm rotors. On the rear, it also has K-Sport 4 pots and 306mm rotors. Okay, as you open, you can see the interior. The sidings has a new Alcantara suede there on the fabric. Nice and clean. Here you can see the Evo 5 seats reupholstered. The Alcantara has been changed and it has a red stitch now. And of course the shift boot, matching the seats with the red stitch. You can see the RS steering wheel. This was reupholstered too with the red stitch. So nice and clean. This is the digital climate control that we see on a Evo 5 GSR. And of course the Evo 5 gauge. As you can see, it matches the vibe, the color of the car outside with the red stitch, and feels like something new. Also has the left-hand drive stock switch that has the rear wiper function. Start the engine. Engine sound might sound distorted here on the video because of the microphone. It has noise reduction. So quick specs, it has Blitz blow-off bulb, Tomei heat shield, HKS air filter set, and K-Sport coilovers. The OEM strut bars painted gunmetal gray, to be OEM plus. Car's good to go and ready for release. The owner. No badges or decals installed in this car yet because we are planning to have it ceramic coated and then complete on a car show next month, so we will definitely put them back before we put it on the show. If you're watching this video until the end, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. This video is sponsored by Garage 69 Auto Restoration, Station 5 Automotive, D3 Performance, and Spectre
Going
Tune.
home and happy with his newly restored Lancer Evolution 5. Convoy kami ngayon.